Okay, Vauxhall Classical Sports Car, I'm pleased to present to you today this 1995 Vauxhall Astra 1.8i 16 valve sport 3-door. The car is a one owner vehicle, it's covered 9,000 miles from new, and it's all original. Down to the tyres, the original alloy wheels, the brand new spare's never been fitted. It is a steel spare wheel which was standard at the time. The 1.8 models of these in a 3-door replace the Astra GSI. Same body, less of an insurance problem at the time. Okay, this car would make an ideal car to turn into a GSI if you had the body kit, or perfect if you just leave as it is. Glacier white was one of the popular colours for these cars. I do blue, black, red, yellow that I can remember. Car's fitted with Vauxhall mud flaps. It's got the original dealer number plates, which is Maple Garage of Hornsey on the East Coast. Inside the car you'll see the original Vauxhall floor mats, rubber mats underneath, brand new. Dashboard, no silly holes, original radio cassette, factory sunroof, no air conditioning on this model, sports seats with this rainbow type trim. Seats are in perfect condition, there's no tucking of the fabric at all, the bolster's in lovely condition. In the rear, just the same carpets like new. Door panels the same. Paintwork's in very good condition. There's no rust on the seams there or anything. It's visible. And the original plates under there. With the boot floor. That's our original steel wheel. Tools all there. Michelin tyres, I'm sure they're original as well. Being critical, just on this wheel arch lip there, it's not come through, but I think the paint just is starting. No, it's not bad actually. I was going to say it's starting to corrode, but no, it's a perfect original arches these. Looking down the car, straight as a die. It's a lovely car. Okay, the driver's seat, which normally gets all the wear, that's just flow of the cloth on the bolster there. It's in perfect condition. Driver's floor mat underneath the mat, the original footwell carpets, like brand new as well. There's mileage, less than 9,000 miles. It's actually done 8,954 miles. So, great car all round. That's it running. So if you are interested, be quick, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or go on to wallsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks.